Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix failed to add feed error in Feedly. Okay, so if you're getting that message or something like failed to add feed, and this app is usually means Feedly can't recognize or access the feed URL. So actually guys, as first you will need to check the feed URL, so make sure it's real, okay, and not just the website's homepage. And to do that, actually you'll need to open the link in your browser or in your app. So let's say that you want to go with add contents button under the tag, as you can see on my screen. Okay, and right here you typed a URL right here and you didn't find it. Okay, so all you need to do is to go with the browser, and right there just open the feed or the website right here. So if you see a code like XML like, it's valid, okay, and if it looks like a normal website, that's not a feed. Okay, also you will need to use the Feedly search instead. So instead of passing the URL, just open Feedly and go with the search right here, as you can see, and type the website's name, not the URL. So let's say that I want to go with facebook.com. okay, I can go with Facebook. Okay, so that's not a link or a URL, just type it. Okay, so just type the name of the feed. Okay, and then just look for the actual feed or the feed that you want to add and select it. Okay, so Feedly often finds the correct feed automatically. And also you will need, or I do really advise you to check your internet and DNS. So just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and disable VPN. That's very important if you use one, and try again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.